This is my Ford 2600 tractor. I just fixed a leak with, thought it was this hose leaking, so I changed it, but it was actually, I had to order a new injector pump cover plate. And while I was working on that, I was looking at this manifold heater thermostat, and I don't think mine is actually hooked up. It's got a fuel line that runs to it, and then also a power connection right here. So I'm gonna put this alligator clip on and see if it's getting any voltage. Hooked up my voltmeter to this alligator clip. I'm gonna see if I can get it to turn on. I think the key just has 3 positions, so that's nothing there. Then the next position is starting. I think. Wait. 1. Oh wait, it's got a position there. So maybe it's 4 positions. And then starting. And looks like you got half a volt. Got this little thermal camera. I'm gonna manually power up the manifold heater. All right, so I'm gonna hook up the manifold heater. You can see these wires are a little warm where I just tried to start it. It's pretty cold out today, so I'm gonna hook it up. It's drawing right at 10 amps. You probably can't see that, but more than I thought it would be. My meter's only fused for 10 amps, so I can see the wire getting hot. Definitely looks like that's working. I mean, okay, so the background is showing up as 4 degrees. I think it's a little warmer than that. It's probably 20. So it's not that hot yet, but it's definitely, you can see the manifold warming up. I mean, 10 amps, that is 120 watts heat going in there, so I'm not sure if it's also burning the diesel fuel like it's supposed to. I mean, it doesn't even feel warm yet. It's like body temperature, whereas over here it is really cold. It's cool, I can see the heat going up into this tube also. This part's rubber right here, and then this is steel, and this is steel. Okay, I'm gonna try to start it in so this alligator clip's getting warm because it's got 10 amps going through it. You'll probably, when I try to start it, see these get, the battery leads get real warm. Let's see. That started really quick. And the hood fell down. Pretty cool. So it seems like that's working. So, kind of a few interesting things. You can see these wires are a little warm from where I started it. It's kind of a nice way to check if you have a bad connection anywhere. I don't see anything that looks unusually hot. Another interesting thing is after I fired it up, I'm pretty sure I heard like a little woof, like something lit in here. So I think what happened is that when I fired it up, it pumped up fuel through the injectors, and then the return line to the tank is what feeds this heater. So I think the heater actually wasn't getting diesel fuel until after I tried to start it. And see, now it's heated up quite a bit, like that's probably right, 100 degrees versus 3 degrees. So yeah, all in all, this definitely helps it start. Just hot wiring this. I'm gonna disconnect that. Normally I have to crank on this thing for like a minute, and it fired right up with using that heater. So I think I'm gonna try to fix it or add a second switch to turn that on. And also, I don't think it really lit fully until I started cranking, because the way this heater gets fed is the injectors have a return line that goes up to the tank, and there's a T that comes down to that manifold heater. And so I don't think there was any fuel in there until I started cranking, and then it ran down to the heater, and I heard like a woof as that fuel lit. So yeah, and that thing draws about 10 amps, it sounds like.